Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Dr. Maria Samreen here. I'm MD dermatologist, which makes me a specialist in skin, hair, and laser. I have got encouraged and inspired by the Sports Tourism India, which is going to be covered by Grasshoppers Entertainment Corporation, as it promotes health. So I would not take a long time of yours. I would just like to highlight 3 pointers over here. As a doctor, I would like to talk health benefits of sports. And as a female, I would like to tell you how it is encouraging and inspiring for the women's sports quota. And as a dermatologist, I would like to highlight few points how to take care of the skin, especially for the athletes. So the health benefits of sports, as Dr. Salman and Agha Saab have just said, it helps for heart and lung functioning. It keeps you, the BMR is in control, you are in shape, and all of that. It obviously, we all know that there's so many health benefits of the sports. But also, this is not just a sports. It's giving us immense amount of immunity, and it's also giving us immense amount of confidence for the women, especially. They are out there wide open the ground. They boost their confidence, the social skills, the communication skills, which will help them in getting better education opportunities, better career options, better jobs. So in this way, we can promote our girls to go out there, play the game, win them, gain the confidence, and just get the pass with flying colors, and that confidence which we have to instill in our Indian women, in our community. Okay, so we need to push our women to get that confidence so that it can boost them in their career options. So now the second point is sports which can help us as a woman. I have told you how inspirational and important it is to promote women in sports quota. And as a dermatologist, I would like to tell a few points on how to take care of the skin. Compulsory sunscreen is very important so that there's no tanning, there's no skin damage, there's no photo damage, which can cause tanning and wrinkling at a younger age. So I tell all the athletes and sports person out there, play the game, but just apply your sunscreen and you're off. You can play. And as soon as the game is finished, I would like to tell them that showering as soon as the game is over is very important, and applying the moisturizer when the game is over is very important. That can take care of the skin thoroughly. Now the girls have confidence and thing, and they don't have to worry about the skin and play the game. And I would at the end I would like to quote a hadith which says, some says, teach your children archery, swimming, and horse riding. So religion itself says, go play. So thank you.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम डॉक्टर। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सलमान है। आई एम अ फिजिशियन बाय प्रोफेशन एंड आई स्पेशलाइज इन डायबिटीज़, हाइपरटेंशन, थायराइड। टुडे वी आर एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स फेडरेशन, इंडिया स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन, जो नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप कंडक्ट कर रहा है 2021। ये 3 दिन का प्रोग्राम है जिसमें वेरियस स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे। 200 से 300 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, and this has been sponsored, conducted by Grassroots Sports and Entertainment Incorporated, and it's more about sports awareness. जैसे कि बता रहे हैं, how sports can help in sports and health can go hand in hand. कैसे schools और colleges, parents जो है ये sports को encourage कर सकते हैं, ख़ास तौर से एक young age से। इसके various benefits होते हैं। Especially being a doctor, I have seen a lot of difference in people who are stronger athletic wise, जो already games खेलते हैं, और जो लोग sedentary lifestyle, मतलब कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई में रह जाते हैं, जो actually एक norm बना हुआ है कि sports को sideline कर देते हैं. It is not really taken seriously, but the schools that are now encouraging sports, they can see a huge difference. Students have more confidence, they are more social, they have better sleep, physically active, they have good focus, they have much better results exam wise bhi, they can perform better. This is what we have seen. And if you actually go on a deeper level, it improves heart function. Heart stronger hota hai, basic immune system boost hota hai, stress relief hota hai, stress buster. It decreases blood pressure in the long run, risk of stroke, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स एंड ओबेसिटी ये सब कम हो जाती हैं. तो ऑल ऑफ दिस हेल्प्स in the long term. So I would like to emphasize on this point that sports has to go hand in hand with education. एजुकेशन के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स को इंकरेज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड स्पेशलाइजिंग इन डायबिटीज़ माई सेल्फ, मोस्ट ऑफ डायबिटीज़, हाइपरटेंशन, थायराइड, जो बेसिक लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ होते हैं, ये सिर्फ बैठने की वजह से, सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन, सेडेंटरी एज इन ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना, बस एक टेबल के पीछे बैठ के काम करने वाले लोग या ज़्यादा पढ़ने वाले लोग जिसका वेट ज़्यादा हो जाता है, उसके हेरिडिटी कॉजेज भी होते हैं. बट दिस कैन बी अवॉइडेड और द रिस्क कैन बी रिड्यूस्ड by proper physical exercise. And what better way than playing a game? So I feel sports is more fun, more enjoyable, and instead of going to the gym, you could actually join a game and enjoy yourself. So these are the health benefits that I am emphasizing on. And Dr. Maria, skin specialist, skin, hair and laser specialist. She herself has given many motivation speeches regarding this, and she would like to say a few words if you guys can ask.
Thank you.